Stand in a neutral position and widen your stance a little. Place your hands on your hips. Start lightly hopping between each foot at a central point below you, bouncing on the pads of your feet, twice on the left foot, twice on the right foot in a slow, continuous rhythm. With each lifted leg, start to introduce bigger leg swings straight out to the side. Gradually build on a slightly wider leg swings each time, whilst focusing on keeping the movement as smooth as possible. Pump and bounce softly within the natural range of your reach and stretch. Let the power and momentum come from your springing calves. This is a soft pumping dance, not a stretch. Find a rhythm and pace that suits you. Test your reach as you go, yet remain feeling free within a tension-free zone. Go as lively as you feel is comfortable. Keep the motion smaller if necessary. Stay relaxed and loose, and consistently breathe lightly and through the nose.